right, thank you to everybody for coming out for the grand opening for the Center for Outdoor Recreation and Education. The Corps, thank you, thank you.
We've had over 500 student interactions here and about 100 interactions from the community. This is a testament to our students, but it's also a testament to the leadership of this university, our student affairs and enrollment management team, that every single day they focus on how can we make a better experience for our student body at Augusta University, and they've done it with this right here. And so it is a pleasure to be a part of this. Thank you all for being here today.